I'm back with my Thoughtful Thursdays, and I want to see something that happened just yesterday. We have a presentation contest at Ormax, and it was the 30th edition. And every time something brilliant happens, and I wanted to share that with you all that yesterday I discovered and I finally committed saying that I champion understanding and I'm good at understanding. And I wanted to share with all the people who have been following Thoughtful Thursdays that I am going to be committed to understanding. Why am I sharing this? Gen Z today is the top favorite topic everywhere that I go. Of course, they are your target group that you need to understand. And the Gen Z mindset is very important to understand. I'm part of the Take Charge mentorship program. And again, over there, we had an entire 2-hour orientation program on the Gen Z mindset. Therefore, we have to come from a place of understanding rather than saying, oh, these guys are like that. Oh, they are entitled. Oh, they are a generation that wants instant gratification. When we allow these words and talk about the Gen Z in this manner, we don't come from a place of understanding. We come from a place of labeling them. And this is not going to help us. So I want to share two things that happened very recently in a business presentation that I was part of. The first one, somebody said something exactly like that. Oh, they have cravings, they have instant gratification, they want things their way. And I said, hey, let's stop that. So the first point that I want to talk about Gen Zs is they are spontaneous. And they have taught me, why not? Does everything have to be planned? Does everything have to be so structured? Does everything have to be like that? And suddenly, can't we make an impromptu plan? Can't we have fun? Can't we be spontaneous? Can't we go out on a Wednesday evening and hang out with friends and have a drink? Why can't we have a after party after a party and go to a friend's house? And therefore, we have to ask ourselves every time as leaders, why not? As marketing people, why not? And that's where you discover and come from a place of understanding and curiosity. So that is my first point. My second point again is about savings. And I don't want to use the word savings, I want to use the word good luck. And this was again the conversation that we had at this business meeting. So the conversation was Gen Z, and I really love this gentleman who said that, the Gen Zs actually respect the profession. They don't make divisions between the janitor and the person serving the McDonald's. These are the same kids who go internationally and are happy serving at McDonald's and earning their money. It's only in India we are so classist. Are ye rich hai, ye poor hai. I am the owner. He's my servant. And biradri mein kya sochenge? But somehow the Gen Z is saying this guy is doing his job. He needs to be paid the right amount, and we need to value and respect the profession. And I can see this even at Ormax. This year we had 4 interns and we have a young Gen Z population. They respect everything that everyone does. They do not take it for granted. They in fact say thank you every time somebody serves them. They don't take it for granted. And there's so much to learn from them. Yes, their good luck is full because the parents have done whatever they have to do. We might call them entitled, but they're actually challenging the status quo. Every day they're asking us, why not? Every day they're asking us, why are we not respectful? So leaving you with these thoughts on this Thoughtful Thursday if you're listening to me. So if you like what I say and you want to know more, reach out to us.